My name is Joan Whitson, and I'm with the Early Learning Coalition of North Florida. And today I'm going to show you how to make fake snow. Now, living in Florida, we don't have snow, so making fake snow is the next best thing. And it only requires 2 ingredients. It's so simple to make. All you need to make fake snow is baking soda and just white hair conditioner. You're going to love making this. Let's get started. First, you just need 3 cups of the baking soda. And you get a bowl and you just pour the baking soda in to your bowl. Now I use these styrofoam cups because I knew they were exactly 8 ounces, which is a cup. But you can just use a regular old measuring cup. Then you take a half a cup of the white hair conditioner and put that into your bowl, like so. Now, the fun part begins. Now, you could just have all the fun and make this yourself, but I'd encourage you to get your kids involved. If you have a preschool, get them involved, your kids at home, and get them involved in stirring and making this snow. It's a great sensory activity, and anything that uses measurement is a great math skill and extension activity to teach kids. Now, it only takes a minute or so to mix up your snow. I have one that's already done for you, and let me show you just how wonderful and pliable this snow is. And it actually smells really good too, because of the hair conditioner. See how easy this snow packs? Now think about all the fun kids could have making a snowman. It's so easy. Keep making a snowman. You could stack one on top of the other like so. Then get some, face, nose, and sticks in there for a snowman. You could create a snow scene in here. Look at how simple. You could add some little houses, some cool trees, like so. Some little figurines I got at the dollar store, little Santa and snowman. The kids could create their own snow scenes. And you know what they might like most of all? Taking the snow outside and having a snowball fight with each other. Who doesn't love a good snowball fight? Now, I would encourage you to put your fake snow into a container like this for keeping, or you can also put it into a ziploc bag. This fake snow will actually last for weeks if you do that. So I hope you'll do this wonderful project and have some fun. It's a great winter activity to add to your sensory table if you're a preschool, or just to have a lot of fun at home. Thanks for watching.